How to change pixel size of an image. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply right click on your image. Then go to Properties at the bottom. Then in Properties, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Details at the top, and here you will be able to see your width and height of the image. Now to resize it, simply open Chrome and search Image Resizer. Click on Image Resizer and then click on Select Image in here. Your folders will pop up. Simply select the picture, and after you've uploaded the picture, on the left side you can select size by percentage or simply by size. I'll simply click on 1000 width and click on Export. After that, picture will be resized, and click on Download Image and you're good to go. This is how to change pixel size of an image. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.